You should all have a top 7 of complexion products. This is one of mine. Hi Sephora fam, Zaire from Sephora Squad, and today I'm giving you my honest opinion on a light, medium, and full coverage foundation. So we're gonna jump right into the nitty gritty. So we're gonna start off with the lightest foundation in our trio. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Ease Drops in the shade 16. It's one of my favorites. It's very lightweight. It's a skin tint, so it's good for something that you can wear every day, on vacation, for your skin but better type of look. Really overall nice product. I'm just gonna work off the back of my hand. I'm gonna be using a Sephora Pro Brush in 47 to apply this. Press this into the skin. So the reason why I decided to use a 47, this brush mimics as if you were using your finger to apply it in. That's why it's shaped like a thumb. So it's kind of like you're just pressing it in with your fingers to give you that more overall natural look. Just kind of like a, you truly did wake up with this type of skin look. Really soft, really lightweight. So typically with skin tints, I like to start off kind of like in the center of my cheek area and start to pull the product down. I want majority of the product for me to kind of go where I need the coverage. So I'm just gonna stipple this in to slowly pull it out. Very airy, very soft, very lightweight. Kind of gives me that I don't have makeup on appearance. So I really like how it is something that you can just throw on, go about your day. It doesn't require much effort. It's not something that you have to wear with a concealer. It's like a one-stop shop. So you could just pop this on, go to work. I'm just taking a tiny bit more in the areas I need it. The finish on this product is more of a natural finish, so it's not overtly matte, but it's not very dewy either. So it's really yummy just for that natural-esque look. Kind of just tying it in. I love this because it really just emphasizes the skin I'm in, and I can still feel that I can see my natural freckles in it. Very lightweight. It's just an extra boost to your already glowing skin. So if anyone was to come to me in stores and you're looking for more of like a complexion product that was a little bit more coverage than a tinted moisturizer but not as heavy as a foundation, I would highly say the Ease Drops is your cup of tea. It's gonna be really nice for if you're in a warmer climate, maybe you're going on vacation. The next foundation we're going to jump into is going to be the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This one's going to give you that delicious medium coverage. And when I say delicious, I mean like delicious. And we're just going to jump right in. So the brush that I'm going to be using for application is the Sephora Pro 55 brush. Love this brush for more of an airbrush stippled look. It's going to softly blend the product in and give it a nice diffusion. Nothing too heavy, especially for a really good medium coverage. So again, I'm gonna more so start into the center of my face and slowly pull it out. And as you can see, just with that little bit of product already, we already have a phenomenal medium coverage. Still skin-like, but giving more coverage than our previous foundation. It has a nice soft fragrance to it, but I love how this coverage is going. It feels very weightless, airy on the skin. It's a little bit more radiant. Love a radiant skin complexion product for every day. So if you were to come to me in stores, I would highly suggest this to someone who might have a little bit more of a drier skin, someone who wants a really good amount of coverage, maybe to cover or conceal any type of slight imperfection. It's gonna give you that really nice luminous radiant look. The good thing about this foundation is gonna capture lighting very well. So you can be in someone's blue kitchen lights and you're still gonna look fabulous. The last foundation I have for everyone is going to be the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I am really obsessed with this one. It's more of a fuller coverage and it lives in my top 7. You should all have a top 7 of complexion products. This is one of mine. Let's jump into it and see how it performs. The brush I'm going to be using to apply this is the Sephora Pro 56 brush. This is going to be more for buffering the foundation into the skin. So as you can see, immediately we are getting more of a fuller coverage than the previous ones. And the reason why I picked out this brush is because a little is going to go a very long way. We're just going to softly buffer this into the skin. The shade that I'm using in this foundation is Caramel. I'm buffing this into the skin just to really give me that really nice fluid finish. This foundation has some really yummy ingredients in it. Has Alpine Rose, rose water, coconut water. Really yummy to hydrate. It's a more hydrating finish. So this is going to be like your ultimate full coverage glam girl. It's also supposed to be an undetectable foundation. So as we're marrying this in, it is giving more of a skin-like approach, but just higher in the coverage capacity. So now I have like a really healthy full coverage. Still looks like skin. Not cakey. We don't do cakey here. We don't know her. If you were to come to me in stores, I would highly recommend this foundation to someone who is looking for a full coverage but still wanted to look very skin-like. Not something that's just overwhelming. It is more hydrating, so perfect for someone who is more on the drier side or suitable for all skin types. It gives a more natural sheen as well. So that's really yummy, especially just to kind of help with the naturality of the look. Okay, so these are my top 3 foundation choices in each form of coverage. You can't go wrong. You can have your cake and eat it too. Let me know what you would like to see me try out next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to see everyone again.